So hello everyone. Today we have a patient. We have done his surgery yesterday, about 5,500 grafts, and today he has come for his dressing. So you can see there is a little serum formation here, which is absolutely normal after the surgery. This can be cleaned off with the normal saline spray. So today we'll be showing you how to do the dressing, how it has to be done, what are the steps that has to be taken care of, and it. Okay, so with the gauze, this will be there in your kit, the dressing kit. In a gauze, you have to take the betadine solution and you have to start cleaning it from top to bottom like this. Right, so you have to follow this in the morning and before sleeping at night. That is twice a day. You have to clean it like this with a little pressure so that there is no debris being formed and it is cleaned properly. Okay, you don't have to cover it up. Keep it open, and we will be giving you a fusidin cream that you will have to apply twice a day, morning and night again. So this is the fusidic acid cream which is being applied now. We will have to apply in a similar way, morning and night. This is to avoid any kind of bacterial infection or any kind of infection at the donor area. Okay, so today I'll be telling you how to take care of your implanted hair, of your grafted hair for the next 7 days. Okay, what you have to do is we will be giving you this a normal saline spray bottle in your kit. With this, you'll have to spray on your implanted area every half an hour to 45 minutes. This will hydrate the graft and the survival rate of the graft is going to increase. Please do this for the next 7 days. Next, you will have to take care of the donor area, the dressing, as I said, as I have showed you before how to do it. The next thing you will have to take care is you will have to sleep straight on your back. Okay, use a neck pillow if required, but do not sleep on your sideways. And the next thing is when you get into the car or any cab, anywhere you are just trying to sit down, make sure this area doesn't hit anything. Also, you have to take the medications, that is the antibiotics and the painkillers that will be giving you for the next 7 days so that there is no chance of any infection. The next is do not go into direct sunlight, any dusty areas or in the rain, or do not take a shower. Right? If you want to take a bath, make sure that you do not take a shower which falls directly on your head. So I think you have understood everything, how to take care of your implanted as well as the donor area. That was it. Thank you guys.